now they see so now Emefiele they come up for court. Wait, see
You guys will remember the story of Emefiele.
DSS done they carry come up.
This is Nigerian story. Go say it, go.
As now they see, they don't they carry Emefiele come up for court now.
DSS has interrupted the court and Hapurugo guy. Emefiele. All good time, yeah. I don't think this is no more a joke.
They don't carry and come out for court now. As him come out for the court room, now in the wave to different people. As you see now, now men they go where we say then they find where them go pass go house. They don't come up for court now. You can see in a different DSS vehicle now they different places where we say they don't station themselves for where then they and now they don't they come up for court. As now they see as then they run go come up for the court premises. Now, waiting don't happen for the courts. For court be that now everybody don't see now. Where we say DSS don't carry Emefiele come up for court, and as they don't finish the whole matter now, we still they expect how the whole thing go end. As now they see where we say now so run. Then they run, where we say they don't even allow any vehicle stay for their front. Now they surprising say for the court where we say begin don't happen between DSS and the prison service. So we say they don't want make the prison service carry Emefiele. Then talk say they get warrant to carry Emefiele come up for court. The matter long, so they even get one pata with the prison service where we say they nearly come out in clothes for him body where we say the DSS officer where they talk say may he come out for road say they won't follow and talk.
This is lawlessness.
I will still dey court.
This is the country we are talking about.
Emefiele don't come out now because they bring a live informate of everything where they happen for here.
Stay put.
Not forget say
you want to
not forget say
interview
very
a lawyer
for here we be say now different journalists just they run up and down as then they try save their own life because say the DSS then they show power when they first come.
Let's see it go.
We won't follow one lawyer talk now.
Where are we going with this kind of order?
Our people now life we still there now. We won't follow one of the lawyer where they for inside the court. We won't follow one and talk for here. Sir, so far how the matter be?
Why you not start with my name?
Just your name and how the matter don't be so far.
I made the convener for lawyers in defense of democracy and human rights. And you know, in this matter, we have been defending this matter since December last year. So I'm going to mix with English and Pidgin so that people understand. The issue is that Tinubu's administration has begun with lawlessness. It don't begin with impunity and lawlessness, and we go fail. This in our government, we still the battle for court, for tribunal, with the battle for legitimacy. Now if they begin with lawlessness, as if they do lawlessness, now so if they suffer people, you go come out subsidy. The only social welfare when Nigerians they enjoy, now you go come out. Some of they buy fuel for 600 naira. Now you will suffer. Now you come one
talk about Emefiele.
Okay. Why you still they live Director General of DSS? Why you still they live on for seat? So that one now don't become your dog. So they unleash lawlessness on Nigerians. Tinubu, you have started on the wrong note and you will fail. The issue now is that court don't give order. Say make Emefiele make you go. Make him people perfect in their condition. Court say make you bring one person, one individual, where we say you don't work for government. Where we say you don't reach the director. If you bring and say that person go get landed property for this, now what you talk, court talk. Court talk say if that person no fit perfect the bail, you know say if court give you bail, you go perfect them, you go file your paper, you go do affidavit, you go bring your passport, you go bring documents for the land to show court to say you get landed property as court talk. So court talk say if the shorty, when go come take Emefiele for shorty, if the shorty say if you no fit do all those things today finish, say make Emefiele make dem carry am go Nigeria Correctional Service Custody. Now DSS come say no, say na dem pass law. Now DSS come say the Director General Yusuf Mogaji say he pass Nigeria Constitution. Now DSS say Director General of the Director General say he pass the whole Nigeria. Say wetin court talk, say he go talk him own. He come tell him people say make they shoot, kill
how many days
the correctional service people.
For DSS custody? How many days?
He don stay 46 days for DSS custody. That one never do them. Now this man when they talk say since December, now they talk say he do terrorism. They go Federal High Court, they go look for expected order to talk say him be terrorist, saying they finance terrorism.
Not true, say they want charge him again.
Since December, they never get anything to charge him. Now they still come today, come say they want carry and go. This country does not belong to any section, any human being. This is Federal Republic of Nigeria. If you want it to be a sectional republic, make it a sectional republic. Allow people to agitate freely to say, I want to belong to this country. We need equity, justice, and fairness. This is not Republic of Fulani or Republic of Bichi. Republic of Nigeria, you must obey law and order. You must follow constitution. You must follow rule of law.
You don't finally complete the condition now.
Bichi, you no pass Nigeria. Bichi, you no pass constitution. Who is he? He's there today. Tomorrow another person will be there. So Tinubu make you not allow Bichi make his point in government. Only the Tinubu don't allow the man make his point in government. The Tinubu don't fail. Because now, he don't tell people say you don't believe in rule of law again. Tinubu, when they say in the fight before, you go court, you go fight for rule of law. Now he don't fail. He don't talk say you don't believe in rule of law. He don't carry dog, keep. Bichi na him dog. Now him dog, now him lion, now him they go they catch people. Tinubu, if he doesn't remove Bichi, Bichi will cripple his government.
On the final note, is there any date for when Emefiele will appear again?
September. I think September 26th.
Okay, thank you very much. And so now down here for the person where they control all the whole lawyer where they around this place. Would they give an informate as they go? Thank you.
The buying, my people, you don't say it. You don't say it. This is what we are talking about. Here is the topic. I'm taking this from BBC Pidgin. They went live to witness what was happening, and DSS took the guy by force. So they overpowered the system. Instead of them to release the guy, according to the court order, they took him. And he has stayed in the court. You heard the man saying. So I just want us to see a little bit about, to go through comment section a little bit. And one of the reasons why I wanted to go to comment section so that you can see. For me personally, I don't have pity for Emefiele. I don't pity him because he has, during the note change of color, will I call it Yahoo camouflaging. So that what he did is he took so many people's life. He messed up people's life because he changed. He, as a governor of the central bank or whatsoever he is central in or whatever is governing, I don't believe this guy. He is not pure, and they knew he is not pure. So that is why they are visiting him with his iniquity. May God save him from this system. But for me, I knew that they are all birds of the same feather. They flock together. So people, as this man say, me also, I have no pity for him, for he suffered us. People easily forget what this man did to us. Yes, this is what he did. The governor might not be too different from Buhari. This governor might not be too different from Buhari. Exactly. He may even do worse because this time he said it already. So this is law of karma. Thank you, law of karma. Mhm. What goes around comes around. Remember when the suspended central bank governor was still in the office? Remember that that was several ruling by the Supreme Court concerning the currency change, and the suspended central bank governor disobeyed court order. Now it is happening to him. Why is it complaining? Why is he is getting what he is so? Everybody else must confess just one day that Nigeria is never a united country, and we must go our separate ways. These are the agitations we are talking about. The Easterners are saying that they want to go. Me myself, if they want to go, if we go, it's okay. If we stay, it's okay. I prefer we go. We going out from Nigeria is the Igbos going out or leaving the country is not a do or die thing. It's not about fighting. And if they want, because if someone say he or she want to leave, be alone, autonomous actualization, it is something is natural. God created the whole universe and gave them the power to govern themselves. You have self-will. So if someone say he or she, even marriage, even your children, they will grow and decide to leave your house, you let the person be. The relationship is two makes it work. And when it becomes a force, and that is why I'm supporting. I'm not supporting it because it's the best, because everybody is now trying to unite. So, but if you don't do referendum, if you don't do a good governing system, then let them go. So everybody is complaining. Nobody is happy with what is happening in the country. Now, to crown it up, or to worsen it up, we have the governing system that does not believe in the law. So Nigeria is expired country. Divide it and let everybody go its way peacefully. APC government no dey obey court order during time of President Buhari till now. Emefiele didn't respect the rule of law during time of Naira redesigning notes. So let him remain in custody. So me myself, I believe that if he will remain there, let him even suffer, but they shouldn't kill him or they shouldn't let anything happen to him. He should suffer for what he did to Nigerians. Thank you for sticking by, and see you next time. Bye.